In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your LinkedIn network in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to the professional world, seeking new opportunities, or aiming to expand your professional circle, this guide is going to be invaluable for you. First things first, navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can do so conveniently with your Google account or continue logging in with your existing LinkedIn account. Now, don't be startled if you're asked to complete a CAPTCHA. It's just an additional security measure to ensure safe login. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a variety of options on your dashboard, but what we're interested in is located on the left side of your screen. Look for the section labeled Grow Your Network. This is your gateway to expanding your professional circle. Clicking on Grow Your Network will open up new avenues for you. Here, LinkedIn will suggest people and companies that you might be interested in connecting with. These suggestions are based on your current network, your profile details, and your past interactions on LinkedIn. Take your time to browse through these suggestions. When you come across a person or a company that aligns with your professional interests or goals, you have a few options: follow, subscribe, or connect. Each option serves a different purpose. If you're looking to receive updates from a person or company without directly engaging, clicking follow is the way to go. This way their updates will start appearing in your feed, but you won't be connected for direct messaging or endorsements. Subscribing is ideal for keeping up with the specific content or insights shared by LinkedIn members who offer a subscription. This option is particularly useful if you're seeking to learn from thought leaders in your industry. The connect option is your ticket to actively growing your network. By sending a connection request, you're reaching out to someone with the intention of becoming part of each other's professional network. Remember, when you send a connection request, it's always best to add a personalized message. This significantly increases the chance of your request being accepted, as it shows genuine interest and intent. As you venture through these steps, think of your goals and areas of interest. LinkedIn is a vast network with professionals from virtually every field you can imagine. Being strategic and intentional with whom you choose to connect, follow, or subscribe to can lead to fruitful collaborations, learnings, and opportunities down the line. Now, you might be wondering, how often should I be doing this? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but a good practice is to dedicate a few minutes each day, or even a set time weekly to grow your network. This keeps your profile active and increases your visibility on the platform. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward guide to expanding your LinkedIn network efficiently. Remember, building a professional network doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and strategic connections, you'll see your network flourish. Happy networking, and here's to your success on LinkedIn.